Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tākaro Tribe, what adventures are you going on today?
We're sorting the paper we've collected. We've got new paper, newspaper here, and paper. The paper karakara, coloured paper, is in a pile over here. Maybe we can make the paper into something new.
What a wonderful idea, Or.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Weta has invited you all to play with him.
That'll be good fun, Pāpā Rākau. I'm tired of sorting paper.
That's good, eh? But first, you need to go see Kōkā.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Weta invited us to play with him. We could make the paper we collected into something new. Oh, like a giant castle.
That's a great idea, But how about something simple like making Poro Rākau, logs out of paper?
Aye. Making paper logs does sound easier, Kōkā.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Are you ready to go and play with our friend Weta?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we could make logs out of pepper hangarua, recycled paper.
That's a good idea, ooh. Do you know how to make logs out of pepper hangarua?
How?
Let's take a look. To make Poro Rākau out of pepper, first you rip the pepper into small pieces. Next, you soak it in whey. After the pepper has absorbed the whey, you can drain the whey off. Then you can press the pepper into the shape of a log. Finally, you dry it in the sun.
Ooh! Whoa! Whoa!
Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye!
You can collect pepper, paper.
Aye!
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye!
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, tai ki e.
Pooh, Weta has asked Tākaro Tribe to play with him. On the way, watch for Poro Rākau, logs.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere, forest.
Yay!
We'll be at Wētā's home soon.
Where does Weta live, Pooh?
Some Wētā live in ana, caves. Some in ngahere, forests. But our friend lives in a rotting Poro Rākau, log.
Wow! Weta live in lots of different places. Look! I can see some old logs. Maybe that's where Weta is.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Wow! Weta has collected so much pepper. But where is Weta?
Look a little closer, He's inside that Poro Rākau log. You're here, Tākaro Tribe. Thank you all for coming.
You have so much pepper, Weta. Maybe we could recycle it into something new. Good idea, or... But what?
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Huh? O, re, o, re, a, ke, a, u. Po, ro, ra, kau. Poro Rākau.
Poro Rākau. Log is the word of the day.
But how does that help us play with Weta? That's what we can do with Weta's pepper. Recycle it into poro.
That's a great idea. Remember what Pāpā Rākau said? Start by ripping the pepper into small pieces.
Now we soak the pepper in whey. This is so much fun. The pepper has absorbed the whey, so we squeeze it out.
Wonderful work, Tākaro Tribe. Let's press them into log shapes and dry them in the sun.
Look, they're all maroke, dry. What will they be used for? Weta could use them for his winter fire.
That would be great, I'll be warm all winter.
Let's stack all the Poro Rākau the logs for Wētā.
Good work, Tākaro Tribe. Now it's time to go home. Thank you for your help, everyone. We did such a great job making paper logs.
Mā te wā, Wētā. Oh, our hands are paru-paru. Dirty. Let's wash them.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, you sorted the pepper you collected. Then Weta asked you to play with him. He had lots of pepper. So you recycled it to make Poro Rākau, logs. And you learned a new word. P-O-R-O, R-A-K-A-U. Poro Rākau. That's an amazing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai